like it being a random sample and it has um normal distribution. Yeah.
Okay. I'll read number 2, unless you guys have questions. Okay. With the data above, create a 95% confidence interval to estimate the mean age of all clients who buy an investment property. Input the numbers you can compute in number 7 of part 1 into the confidence interval formula. Show your work below. The t-score for a 95% confidence interval from the t-distribution with 14 degrees of freedom is 2.1448. Make sure you do not overround while making your calculations. So I got 41.845 and 51.622. Sorry. Thanks. Yeah, so 41.845 and 51.622. Peter, do you want to do the next one?
Yeah, sure. Now create a 99% confidence interval to estimate the mean age of all the clients who built an investment property. Follow the same rounding rules as above. The t-score for a 99% confidence interval from t-distribution with 14 degrees is 2.9768. My mean, just so you guys know, I had a mean of 46.73 and standard deviation of 8.82746. It goes on. My answers were 39.9 and 53.5. So.
Now using the software compute, so the same 2 questions. So I got the same answers on A and B from 2 and 3, and then I was like, wow, it's a lot easier just to plug it in that software.
Yeah. Okay. How does the margin of error of the 95% confidence interval compare to the 99 interval? I just put the 95% confidence interval is not as wide as the 99 confidence interval. Yeah.
Are we good?
What?
Are we good for 6?
I think
Question
so.
6. Okay. Rather than estimating the age of his clients that buy investment properties, the realtor agent would like to test the claim that the age of his clients is different than the national average of age 47. Use the 0.05 as your level of significance. Follow the following sequence of steps. Fill in your answers at each step and show all your work. State the null and alternative hypotheses. So mean equals 47 would be the null. Alternative would be mean does not equal 47.
Okay. So compute the test statistic. First compute it using the formula showing your work below. Then check the test statistic by inputting the data into the software. I got negative 0.117, but the answers it said it was negative 0.118. So I don't know why I was off. And even like with the software, that's what I got. I don't know. What did you guys get?
I got negative 0.118.
Yeah. Same here.
Yeah, I don't know what I did. Okay, let's go on.
Okay. C, state the degrees of freedom. So 15 minus 1 is 4.
Yeah.
Sketch the t distribution and shade the area which represents a p. Okay, so we can't really show that. We did that otherwise. So I'll just do E2. Use your software to compute the p-value. I got 0.9077. I think that's what the answer key said too.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. State your decision. Do you reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject at the 0.05 level of significance, but fail to reject the null hypothesis? Oh, I'm gonna ask you. Did you guys use SPSS or did you use Excel?
I used SPSS.
It tells you to use Excel, I thought. So I used Excel, but
Okay. I was just wondering because I used Excel, and so I was wondering if there was a difference.
because
Answers.
where did I read? I swear I read somewhere it said to use Excel. Maybe I'm mistaken.
It looked like it said use Excel or SPSS, but it was like one word, so
Okay,
confusing.
maybe maybe it was in the notes because I was like, it said for me I was like, oh, you have to use Excel, but I don't know why I thought that. So anyway, but yeah, I used Excel.
Okay. We're good for G.
Yeah.
Yep.
Present your conclusion in English sentence relating the result to the context of the problem. So this one, I don't really know how to like put that in words, but so you don't have enough information because I don't know, the hypothesis or like it's somehow too high. I don't know, so like you can't tell the mean age of the people buying the home. Yeah, I wasn't really good with that.
Is it just saying since the p-value is higher than 0.05, you just fail to reject the null hypothesis because there's a lot of evidence that says that the null hypothesis is true? Is that basically why?
I guess
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
yeah,
I don't know. Do you think it's something different, Peter? Ugh.
No, I think it's just like she said, there's not enough information to really, I don't know, think of anything else, I guess. I don't know.
Okay. All right. You guys ready to start the quiz?
yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I'll read the first one. Is that all right? In previous lessons, we have assumed the population standard deviation sigma was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? We assume sigma is unknown.
Yeah, yeah, because I think in the reading, like I said, usually like we know that we've been given the standard deviation, but in most cases, like we really don't know the standard deviation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would agree. Sorry, it's my quiz took a second to open up.
No, you're fine. Someone want to read the next one?
Yeah. The null hypothesis, H of O, or mean, is 8, and the alternative hypothesis is more than 8, and the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects the sample size, n equals 9, and computes bar x equals 11, and s equals 6. Use this information for questions 4 through 5. So is sigma known? No.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. It's no.
Okay. What is the value of t round to 1 decimal point?
I have 1.5.
Yeah, I got a fraction 3 over 2, so that's 1.5.
Yeah. I just plugged it in 1.5.
Right.
Um,
Are you guys working on the problem, or are you gonna read, or?
is it my turn to read?
I think so, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So use the following values for pulled from the data file body type. So yeah, so copy and paste those into the software, and using the null hypothesis, mean equals 98.6, and the alternative hypothesis is more than 98.6 with a level of significance 0.05. So what is bar X?
Is it 98.280?
I haven't put it in yet. I wish I had another computer here, but faster one.
They're fine.
Yeah, my computer is like having Parkinson's disease right now. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
It's work.
okay. Yeah, I got for mean 98.2.
Wait, sorry, what?
I got 98.2.
Okay, so I got 98.280.
Okay. Um,
Okay.
It's a
I'll
couple more
trust
decimals.
you guys. Mine is taking forever.
um, what did you get for S? I got 0.992.
S, I got. Sorry, my computer like been spazzing and okay. I got okay.
Okay, it finally opened. So
Yeah.
98.22, and then I got 0.922 as well.
All right. See
Okay.
here.
I don't know where to find S. I'm just looking at my chart.
It's standard, or what are you using?
Is it standard
Because
error?
for Excel, you look under standard deviation. That's
Oh,
S.
okay. Oh yeah, that's the same. Okay. So on standard deviation, I got 0.92201.
I think we got all different answers.
On FTZ, I got 98.22000.
Okay, so for X bar, I
Yeah,
got 98.280. I think we got the same on that one.
yeah. Before I just said 98.2, but then I just looked at it again, and I got a 98.22. So
Yeah, I got 98.22 as well.
Hmm. I don't know. Okay. Hmm. Sorry, give me one sec.
No, you're fine.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, now I have 98.222.
okay.
Two. Yeah.
Cool.
All right. So for S, what did you guys get?
Um,
0.91.
0.922.
Yeah, I got 0.922
Okay.
too.
Okay.
But that might be because they're using Excel and using SPSS.
Yeah, I got 0.922.
Okay. And then what did you guys get for the T score?
I got 0.407.
I got 248.438.
Yeah, I got 0.407.
.407?
Yeah.
407?
I might try it again.
Oh no. Yeah, I have 476.407.
Okay, that's what I got.
Okay. Alright, what did you guys get for the p-value?
I. How do you find that? Like, it's not sure. Or is that where you plug it in the applet?
On ours it has a p-value, but mine on the homework was wrong, so I'm not sure. What is yours, Peter?
Wait, how do you find it again? I'm using Excel, so I hope.
Yeah, so in Excel in the bottom box, there's like T and then PF and then p-value. I don't know where it's at in the SPSS, sorry.
I am not seeing it. Let me see if I can.
Um,
Wait,
so for
how do you?
SPSS,
Yeah.
sorry, what?
How do you get to the t-test thing again? Mine like went away.
So in the notes, at least this is how I did it. I went to the Excel instructions and I just put on open the quantitative interferal processes thing, and then another page opens up and you click on that same link and it takes you into the Excel sheet.
Okay.
Yeah. And then for the SPSS, it says the p-value is equal to the sig.2tel.
Oh, okay.
Does that make any sense?
Yeah, I can see that, but I just have .000 for the big two tail.
Yeah, and see mine is 0.333, but it's like negative to the negative 40th. So I think
Oh,
it is 000.
okay.
At least I hope so.
Yeah. So then for 10, if the p-value is less than .05, then it rejects the null hypothesis.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Did you get it figured out, Peter?
No, because I'm reading it right now. It says click on the tab. I did this earlier today. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble now, but
Okay,
click,
yeah.
please click on the tab labeled one sample t-test.
So on the bottom there should be tabs. One says one sample t-test, one says pair sample t-test, two sample t-test.
It's not there. I swear it's not there.
Um, I think you can screen share. It's on the side of this Google Plus meeting thing, and you could
Okay.
show us your screen. Then maybe I can help you that way, because I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, this is really weird. Let me just look at the instructions quick and see if I can figure anything out from there.
Okay. Yeah, because like when you open it up, it automatically is on that page. So I don't know, like if you have to click on the tab. Um,
And then it talks about, wait, it says set the null hypothesis value in D10. Okay.
um, so you got it figured out, Peter?
No, I don't know. This is weird, so.
So are you in the Excel sheet though?
I am, yeah.
Okay, so under variable 1, you just put all the numbers, so you just copy and paste them into
Uh-huh.
that
Yeah,
column.
I got that far.
Okay, and then yeah, you can put the null hypothesis in that column, and then type of test, I
So
put not equal to.
that goes in like D10. Is that right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and then D11, I put not equal to. You can pick the different ones.
Okay.
And then underneath, the mean is X bar, standard deviation is S,
Mm-hmm.
and then below that box there's a thing that says T, that's your T-score, and then DF is your, you know, degree of freedom, and then p-value and confidence intervals.
Yeah, it's just not there for me. I don't know what the deal is.
It's like there's no numbers at all.
There's mean, standard deviation, variance, minimum, Q1, median, Q3, maximum, interquartile range.
Hmm, that's weird. Are you on the, so at the very bottom of your page, there's tabs. Can you see those?
Where it says histogram and descriptive stats, QQ plots, version, is that what you're talking about? Or
I think you are in the wrong,
I
what's it
I
called?
might be in the wrong.
Excel
Okay, that might be
thing.
my.
Because it's the quantitative, what's it called? Quantitative inference procedures.
Yep, yeah. I'm not in the right one. I gotta go back.
Okay, because,
Sorry,
yeah.
I didn't mean to. Yeah, I'm in the first one. That was my bad.
No, that's fine. It was just really confusing. But okay,
No wonder.
yeah.
Yeah, I was just like, oh, I thought I. I just wasn't like I was like I did this before. I know it. I should know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I had to. Yeah, I had to figure that out too. Like it took me a little bit, but
I'll have it. I'll have it soon. Sorry.
no, you're fine. Krista, do you want to just keep going and we'll just check our answers with Peter later?
Yeah. I started on number 10 or number 11.
Yeah.
So use the following values which were pulled from the data file baby boom. Um, the average time between birth is 40 minutes and plan its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test their claim. You select mean equals 40. So your first alternate hypothesis is mean does not equal 40 and you use a level of significance of 0.01. What is the p-value?
My p-value is 0.995.
Okay. And how is it that you okay, so um we just went over this. For the p-value for SPSS, it's um
It's the SIG two-tailed one. Is that what you're wondering?
yeah.
Okay.
So then I got yeah, I still got 0.0000.
I'm afraid of that. I don't know what to tell you because I'm really bad at finding the p-value. So you might be right or I might be right. I don't know. Sorry. We'll see. Hmm. There's 25 numbers, right?
I got 21.
You have 21?
Yeah, but I just counted them by hand.
Oh, wait. Yeah, 21 too. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Is there do we plug in like a level of significance 0.01 in somewhere?
I was wondering that. Mine has confidence level, and null hypothesis, but it doesn't say anything about that.
Wait, what was it again?
Huh? What was my p-value?
So yeah,
So it's 0.995.
okay. Because that sounded familiar. I did some math like just on hand, but I got 0.005999. But I don't think that'd be the p-value. Whatever.
Um, let's see here.
So, does the confidence interval percentage make a difference? Because I just have 95% in there.
Yeah, I am trying to figure that out. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about that. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know what is right.
I'm just gonna trust what Scott then, and so it was 0995.
So 0.995. Yeah. So on 12, I put fail to reject the null hypothesis because it's bigger than alpha.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use mean is less than 40, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease?
My p-value is 0.502.
So it decreased.
Yeah. And then you still fail to reject the null hypothesis because it's still bigger than alpha.
Then compare the width of the confidence interval for question 11 with the confidence interval for question 13. Which one is wider?
Okay, so
So you would
it doesn't change my confidence intervals.
so it's the same?
Yeah. Peter, where are you at?
I finished what I thought for the last one. So for number 6, I had 98.22. For 7, I had 0.922. For the t-score, I had 427.903.
I have 476.407. Is that what you got? Yeah.
Okay, let me double check make sure I wasn't missing a number or something.
Fine.
2. Should be good. So, what, 476?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then
Point.
0.7.
407.
And then the p-value, this doesn't seem right, but it was 1.282.
I got 0.000 on that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which
0.
funny.
All right. And then what is the correct decision based on this evidence? Reject the null hypothesis, I believe.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
And then for 11, is this so? Are we using the p-value that it's giving us, or is it something different?
I just use the p-value that's on the Excel
Okay.
sheet.
So the p-value would be, let me see, 0.001.
So you got another different p-value, and I don't know if mine is right or wrong.
Because I just got like a super low number.
Yeah, okay, so what do you have in your null hypothesis?
This is for the
411.
Null hypothesis. Mean equals 10.
I put 40 there.
Okay, I don't know why.
Well, I don't know if I'm right or if you're right, but
40,
I thought,
yeah, 40 changes it to 0.497 or 0.498. Oh no, yeah, it does say null hypothesis 40 for the on the question, yeah.
yeah. And what p-value do you get again?
I
Sorry.
get 0.498.
See, I have 0.995.
Okay, I don't know. I'll have to go back through this before I do the homework.
No, yeah. I don't
So,
know if I'm right though, because I didn't get the right p-value for the homework, so you might be right.
okay. Yeah,
But
it's who knows.
Pretty sure my answer is wrong though. Just like 000 on that again. So,
This is for number 11. Okay.
uh,
Oh, but I did find out the margin of error equation thing.
where you have to use the actual z-score.
Yeah, because I did the homework and I used the 2, and then it was wrong for the first
Yeah.
one, and then for the second one, I was like, well, I'll use the confidence level, the z-score it gives you, and it was right. So, well, it was a multiple choice question, and I was like, well, none of mine are the option. So then I tried like the 1.96, and it worked and gave me the exact answer. So
Yeah.
at least
Yeah.
one of my questions was answered. So,
Um. Okay.